I've never shown this website on my channel before, but it can earn you hundreds of dollars again and again. This isn't about affiliate marketing, doesn't involve selling, recording your videos, nor will you have to spend countless hours on your PC or laptop to only get paid a small amount of cash. Now, even though this is a great way to make money online, it can't really replace your full-time job. So if you want to see how I went from zero to making money online full-time, then check out the first link in the description down below. There you can see the best way to make passive income online, the type of income that allows you to travel and have full freedom if set up properly. Okay guys, so this is the website to which you will need to sign up, and the site that will actually be paying us today. This site is called clearvoice.com. Now, since I've never talked about this platform before on this channel, and I know most of you watching this don't know what it is, let me elaborate. ClearVoice is a site where they pay a bunch of people to write articles for them. More specifically, various business owners pay freelancers to write the articles. And I will show you how you can get those articles done for you so you don't have to write anything, which in turn means that you won't need any writing skills either. And before you even think about it, no, I will not go on to show you various PLR sites or whatever to find the articles. We will instead be using a different platform for that purpose. With all of that said, in order to be able to start making money with this platform, you will need an account. And as such, you want to hover your mouse over Talent Network here and click on Join the Talent Network. And by the way, guys, some of the categories in which you can write articles you can see on the left of all of this. You've got advertising and marketing, finance, healthcare, software and tech, and so much more. Now, with that being said, what you will need to do on the next page to create your account is simply enter in your full name and click on Get Started down below. From there, you will have the option to either sign up via email or Google and Twitter. I'd recommend doing so through Google or Twitter since it's way faster and easier to do so. When you sign up, this is what you'll come across. This is your profile. Here you will see your name, your profile picture just above it, and to the left, that is where you'll be able to connect your profile with your various social media accounts. You should connect with at least one account, since when you do so, you will have a higher chance of getting hired, which ultimately means you would be able to make more money with this platform. Something of note that I want to mention before we move on is that you will actually set your own rates, as you can see here. So you will be charging as much money as you feel is appropriate, and you will also get paid quickly as well, so you won't have to wait at all whatsoever. Now, on this same page, you can also check out some of the people who are making money writing those articles. I opened up the CV from this particular person, and if you scroll down, you'll be able to see all of these articles that he's written thus far, and each and every one of these made him hundreds of dollars each. So as you can see, even if you have to write all of these yourself, you will still be able to make a lot of money. And since I will show you where you can find articles that are basically done for you, you'll be able to make even more money by doing far less work. But before I show you that, there's something else very important for me to mention back on your profile here. Your CV, once you create your account, will only be 15% complete, and you need it at 100% in order to be able to get paid. By clicking on Improve Your CV below, you'll see all you need to do to get it to 100%. You need to upload a profile picture, connect your social media accounts, add categories in which you will be writing, add a tagline, and much more. And what you will also see as well is that you will need to add 6 or more pieces. What they mean by this is that you need to upload 6 or more articles onto your profile here. And so let me now finally show you precisely where you can obtain them. And Google is the place where we can find them. Now, what you will need to do on Google is search for stuff relating to the categories you had over on ClearVoice here. So you can search for something related to advertising, finance, healthcare, and if you click on View All here, you'll be able to see all of the categories in question. What you can do if you don't know exactly what to search for is pick one of these categories. You will then want to open up the CV of some of these people and just take a look at what kind of articles they are uploading, and you want to search for something similar. In my case, I went with the finance category, and I searched for finance tips for businesses, as you can see, and I can now find a bunch of these different articles to choose from. And here's the best part about Google, guys. New articles are being published daily. This means you will never run out of them, and there will always be a new article that you can use and upload on ClearVoice. Anyhow, what you would want to do from here is simply pick any one of these and open them up. You want to try to find the best and most interesting one in your opinion, and you want to copy it. But since you cannot upload the exact same article on ClearVoice without copyright infringement, you will first need to rewrite it. And a site you want to use for that particular purpose is called quillbot.com. To have the article rewritten for you, just paste it in here, click on rephrase, and this will rewrite it in literally a couple of seconds. Now, with that said, I do have a few tips for you as far as rewriting articles is concerned. First off, make sure that the article that has been rewritten does not have any errors, since after all, Quillbot is a software and some parts of the article won't make sense, so you will want to quickly go through the article to make sure that there are no mistakes. My second tip I have for you is that you can sometimes combine two different articles, and what I mean by that is that if you search for finance tips like myself, for example, what you can do is open up two different articles, rewrite half of each article with Quillbot, and combine the two halves into a single article. This will add originality and could in the end get you paid more. In any case, when you rewrite the article using Quillbot and you have checked for and fixed any mistakes, you will now want to copy it. And from here, you will want to head over to docs.google.com and then click on blank here to open a blank document. Paste the article and save it to your PC so you can upload it onto ClearVoice. You need to click on File here, hover your mouse over Download, and then select PDF file to download it to your computer. On UpVoice, you now want to click on Add Content below here, then on Upload File. Find it on your PC and upload it. What you now have to do is select category. In my case, it's finance. The primary role is copy editor. Content type is article. You can now write a description if you want to, but it isn't mandatory. To finally publish your article, just click on Update down below. From here, guys, you will basically rinse and repeat. Find an article on Google, copy it, rewrite it using Quillbot, paste it into Google Docs, save it to your PC, and upload it onto UpVoice. In this fashion, you will easily be able to upload new articles within like 5 minutes or so, and the more of them you upload, the more money you'll be able to make. Anyways, this is it for today's video, guys. As always, if you liked it and you're enjoying my content, then be sure to give this video a thumbs up below to support my channel. And in case you don't want to miss out on any future videos just like this one, then click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications, and you'll be notified whenever a new video pops up. As always, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you soon.